Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a couple rents a car for their vacation. When a particular car is rented for D days, the total cost will be C dollars as shown in the equation above. We're asked, what is the value of D when C is 345? So not even looking at what the actual variables mean in this equation, we have our equation. C is equal to 120 plus 75D. We're asked what is the value of D when C is 345, so just plug in 345 is equal to 120 plus 75D. And now we just solve for D. First we do that by subtracting 120 from both sides. These cancel. Over here we have 345 minus 120, which is 225. And this is equal to 75D. We want to solve for D, so we can divide by 75. Again, do it to both sides. These cancel. We're just left with 1D is equal to 225 divided by 75, which is 3. So when C is 345, the value of D is 3, and therefore D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.